guys, today we are going to see means of transport. We use different types of vehicles to move from one place to another. They are called means of transport. There are three means of transport. First is land transport. Vehicles that move on land are called land transport. They all run on wheels. Train runs on railway track. That is also land transport. These are some vehicles that move on road, such as train, cycle, car, truck, auto, bike. Train, metro, tram move on railway tracks. Next is air transport. These vehicles move in the air. They are the fastest mode of transport, such as aeroplane, helicopter, jet and hot air balloon. Next is water transport. These vehicles move on water, such as ferry, ship, motorboat, fisher boat and yacht. I have made a model for this. Aeroplane and hot air balloon for air transport. Train, car, bus, van and bicycle for land transport. Ship, boat and yacht for water transport. Thank you and subscribe Smartycutey. See you in my next video.